Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you exactly how to create your own custom team in College Football 25 step by step. Let's dive right in. First, from the main menu, go to the team builder. Once you're there, select create a new school. This is where the fun begins. You'll have full control to customize your team's brand. That includes your logo, color palette, uniform, stadium, and even your program history. Want to use your own graphics? No problem. You can upload custom logo or use the pre-made designs available right inside the team builder. From fonts to apparel, buildings, or bands, everything is customizable to make your dream team feel real. Once you've got everything just way the way you like it, save and now go to the Create and Share tab. Head to the Download Center and download your team to your local storage. And that is it. Your team is ready to go. You can now use your custom squad offline play now mode or take them into Dynasty mode and build your legacy. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tech and gaming tutorials like this.